friends, today we're going to draw a teddy bear.
Here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end. And I hope you're really excited to follow along with us. I especially love your little bear, Olivia. You did awesome.
Thank you, I like yours too.
Yeah, and I love that our two drawings look different. Our friends can change their drawings during the lesson, pause the video, and add extra things. Now we're using our crayons to draw with, or gel crayons, but you could use something different.
Like oil pastels and colored pencils.
Yes, colored pencils would be really fun. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
First, let's draw a circle for our teddy bear's head. We're gonna draw a big circle. Yes, I love that yours is bigger. Okay, now let's draw the face for our teddy bear. I'm gonna draw the nose in the middle and we can color it in. Then let's draw a straight line down and a smile. And then we can draw the eyes. Let's draw a circle and another circle. And then we can draw the pupil inside. So we draw a little circle inside and color it in. I like your teddy bear.
I like yours too.
Thanks. Then let's draw the ears. We could draw an upside down U for each ear. And then we're gonna draw the belly. We can draw the letter U for our little cute belly. Oh, that's awesome. And then let's draw the arms. We're gonna draw a line that comes out. And then we can draw a short line down and then back in. It looks like a rectangle.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna draw another one out this way. Down and then back in. And then let's draw the legs. I'm gonna draw a short line out, down, and back in. And then let's draw another one for the other side. We did it! We finished drawing our little teddy bear. He looks awesome, except we still need to
color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. You could also add extra details. Ooh, like eyelashes and a bow.
Yeah.
You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
We're using gel crayons, but you can use whatever you have. One of the little tips that I like to do when we're coloring with gel crayons is have this extra piece of paper underneath Olivia's hand. So because it kind of smears. If you drag your hand across it, they can blend, which I also like and is fun to do too. But if you don't want to blend your crayons, you can use this extra piece of paper to protect your drawing. And then when you're ready, you can slide it down and then keep coloring. Olivia, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our little teddy bears, and I especially love yours. You added a bow and eyelashes, which is really cute.
I like how you added the balloon.
Thanks. What else could our friends add?
Clothes.
Oh yeah, you could dress your bear up, maybe for the beach, or
Halloween.
Yeah, you could dress your bear up for Halloween. Maybe it's dressed up as a witch.
Or a pumpkin.
Yeah, you could add whatever you want to your bear, even a background.
We hope you have fun drawing teddy bears with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.